Okay, almost done. Lee again, license to drive, new car, detail, all day project, almost done, tired. But now it's time for tires. So what we got? We got 20-inch inclusion wheels for Model Y. This is a performance, yes, but it does not come with the 21-inch Uber turbine wheels. That's not what this is, because this is a long-range performance, more commonly known as a stealth to us Tesla files. And we are going to be using some tire dressing from Obsessed Garage, which is surprisingly good. This is my first real time using it, and I've been saving it for this car and this application. And what you do is you get your tire sponge or what have you, put a little bit on, and it really creates a nice satin sheen. Shiny tires are played out. That's very 1990s. And you just go across, all the way across, even go up a little bit on the edge. Okay. And as it dries, it will give you a nice matte finish, which is what you want. You want that new rubber look, not shiny. You want that new rubber look, like it just got stamped at the factory. And that's it. And then a pro tip, of course, is to move the car 1/4 of an inch or about 1/2 foot forward to get the part at the bottom, which is always a problem. So whenever you're doing your car at home, always roll your car forward so you can get this part right here. So I don't even worry about wiping this part off. I just come up here, come up a little high on the edge, and it really gives you a nice satin finish. Okay. And it goes real good with, your clean car too. So let's go to the back. I already did the other side because I'm smart. By the way, these are Goodyear F1 asymmetrics 255 by 40 R20s. These are not Z-rated tires because it's not that fast. It's fast, but it doesn't need Z-rated tires. So that's cool. These are all season asymmetrical, so you can go either direction as long as they say outside. So they're not directional. So they definitely are directional, excuse me. But not bad. I was surprised it came with Goodyears from the factory, but this is an American car because Tesla is an American company. And so, no surprise. So the car is finished. This is it. Paint's done. Putting the Prestige. I always do the tires last. And like I said, come up on the edge right here. This part right here, come up on the edge. Looks really good. That's a professional's trick. Always come up high on the edge. Ordinarily, I would wipe off the excess, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm gonna take a shower and then put the family in the car and go flex a little bit, because we're not getting out of it. It's COVID, so we're not getting out. That's dumb. So we're just gonna go hang out. Maybe we'll go see my wife's father, and go home from there. But she is done, so we will call this project done. So what are we looking at? All finished. Pardon my mask. Got covers, matte finish, screen door, seat heaters on for some unknown reason. Trying not to get my car all wet, excuse me. Yeesh. Trying to open the door without getting grease all over it. Pedals from Abstract Ocean yesterday. And the covers, I think that's my favorite part of this whole thing. Covering up that stupid wood. So there you go. No adhesive, clean, better than it was when I bought it. And that's the whole idea, to get your vehicle the way you like it. And you know, it takes time, but I mean, when you get finished, then you get a chance to look at your work, and you know, you feel good about yourself, and you feel good about your purchase. So I think it's a good thing, man. I like it. So thank you for holding it down. Please like and subscribe for more content. I know that the production value is a little weak, but pretty soon when I get more subscribers, we'll probably start getting into some microphones and getting some really good production. I'm kind of digging this whole YouTube thing, and I'm really enjoying it. Just like I'm enjoying this Model Y performance. Wow. Ordered this in July 6th, and it was built on August 15th, and it was delivered on August 30th. So 2 months almost from order to finish. And yes, it is performance, underline. So, oh, and a spoiler, carbon fiber spoiler. So, once again, look at that paint. So, that's it. That's how you decontaminate and clean a brand new car. I could probably go into more detail, but for our purposes, this is pretty much what it took all day. But the end result, pretty good. So, what's coming? We're going to do a design analysis on the car, talk about what it looks like. We're going to talk about why I chose it, and we're going to go back to that comparison with Model X that I used to own, and maybe a Model 3 also. But I feel pretty good about this purchase. It's a good car, and I really like it. And the kids seem to enjoy it too. So we're done. All right, so take care.